Hello students, this is the 9th chapter of your book Honeycomb and the chapter name is A Bicycle in Good Repair. In this story we will discuss about two friends who got tired in repairing a bicycle. So let me start. If you wish to go on a long bicycle ride, the bicycle should be in good condition. If possible, an expert mechanic should overhaul it. But what happens if the machine has a will of its own and the mechanic knows next to nothing? One of the friends of the author suggested that they too should go for a bicycle ride the next day. The author reached the place half an hour before his friend and was waiting for him in the garden. The author's friend inquired about his bicycle and then gave it a shake holding its front wheel and the fork. After a while, the man took out the front wheel of the cycle while the author was away for a while looking for a hammer. The author insisted on putting on the various parts of cycle in place, but his friend wanted to check the front wheel. He unscrewed something and from somewhere around a dozen of balls bearing came out. His friend insisted that the author must collect all of them, else the bicycle might not be restored to its old condition. The author collected around 16 of them and kept them in his hat. The author's friend now started taking off the gear case. The author warned him not to mess up with the gear case, but his friend said that nothing is as easier as taking off the gear case. He took it off easily but had a nightmare while fixing it back to its place. His bicycle, which was until now in good condition, was now lying scattered, divided in many parts. Author wanted to stop his friend from causing further troubles, but he admits that he is weak at hurting others. Then it was the time for the chain, which was tightened to an extent that it stopped moving. Then he loosened it until it became twice as loose as it was before. After applying his tricks on the cycle, author's friend seemed to be contented and now wanted to put all the pieces back into their place. It took a lot of time and a great effort. The process revealed that his friend was inexperienced and knew nothing about repairing a bicycle. After struggling for many hours, his friend was able to somehow fix the different parts of the bicycle. The author took him to his back kitchen and where his friend cleaned himself, and then the author sent him back to his home. Okay student, so this was the summary of the chapter A Bicycle in Good Repair. Okay, thank you.